What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. This is the Zhiyun Crane Plus. It's a DSLR gimbal. It comes with this protective briefcase to hold your gimbal and all of its accessories. Inside the briefcase, you'll find cables for Panasonic and Sony cameras, so if you want to hook them directly into the gimbal, you can. But the Panasonic cable is too short to reach my GH4. It also comes with a battery charger for the gimbal and other accessories as well. Setting up your DSLR with the gimbal only takes a few minutes. Accessing the controls on the gimbal is also very easy. You have a mode button so you can switch between the different modes. You have a wide and telephoto lens if you use one of those USB cables that are included inside the briefcase. You also have an on-off button and also a pan tilt button. The Crane Plus has a cool selfie mode to point the camera directly at yourself by triple tapping the mode button. The Crane Plus also pans in 360 degrees. And tilts all the way up and all the way down. Let's check out some footage of this gimbal in action. The Zhiyun Crane Plus goes for about $570 on Amazon. You can pick one up right now. I'll link it in the description down below. But besides that, the steadiness and stabilization of the video is very impressive. I'm recording video on my Panasonic GH4. If I do this just walking around, I'll show you what it looks like with no stabilization on. It is really wobbly. This makes it really impressive and makes for you be able to do vlogging really easily, or to just capture footage that normally you would need like a slider for or some other piece of hardware. This can do all of that in one piece. Now, if you want to see an example of what the GH4 looks like when you're walking with it, just holding nothing but the camera itself, no gimbal, this is what it looks like. So you should be able to see some stabilization improvements when you're holding that Crane Plus versus when you're not holding it. So as you can see with the Zhiyun Crane Plus, it works fantastically. You can use it when you're just like walking around seeing ducks, or if you're just walking around with your friends, or recording some kind of action. It works perfectly. I'm very impressed with it. I would definitely recommend it. It has a lot of things going for it. Is it expensive? Yes, for sure. The cable with the Panasonic it was short, so I wasn't able to take some of those features with this, but overall, just if you're gonna use it as a stabilization stick, it works really, really well. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. If you want to pick this up, I'll link it down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road.